Okay, in the previous part we learned how to sign up users, so we now have this sign up form. Next step then will be to log in users or sign in users. So Django has a built-in way to do this, so you just need to go back to the editor and find the urls.py file inside the user profile app. Then below here we can say sign in, and what this should use is auth_views.loginview.asView. And then we need to specify what template we are going to use. So template name user profile /signup.html. Sorry, sign in, of course, sign in.html. Okay, so we just need to import this from Django now. So at the top here, from django.contrib.auth.views, from django.contrib.auth import views as auth views, and we need to rename this or have this as a different name because we don't want it to crash with the import views from this app. So now we just refer to auth views inside here by saying auth views. Login view comes and return one variable called form, just like we have done in the sign up. So we can save now and then create the template sign in.html, and we can copy everything from here because it's going to be very similar. Sign in and save. And this can just be like it is because we have followed the Django convention of naming a form as this. So that means that this will work out of the box. So if I now go to the browser, I should be able to say sign in, and then I will see this form, and I can log in with the user I created in the previous part. So you can see now I was redirected to accounts/profile. We can set up, this is the default place that you will be redirected after authentication in Django. But we can override this by saying login redirect URL front page. So then we will be redirected there instead. We can also set the logout to redirect URL to front page, or actually sign in. So if you log out, you will just be sent to the sign in form. So if I go back here now, sign in, try to log in one more time, then I'm sent here. Perfect. So now we have sign up and sign in functionality. In the next part, we're going to learn how to log out. See you in the next video.